Uh-oh. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, with James. James, who are you?
I am James.
You're James. We're on some e-bikes. You are riding the Hay Bike, Mars 2.0. Today, we're not going to worry about this one over here. We're going to worry about this one. This is the CosWheel CT20. Today's going to be an honest review. I haven't really ridden it yet. Full disclosure, CosWheel sent me this bike to review, and I'm here to give you that honest review. So today, we really don't have a destination in mind. One thing I would like to do, though, I'd kind of like to see if we can make it to the Trabuco General Store. And that's not down the street, really. A little nervous about taking this thing all the way to see Bob. All right, Mr. James, let's get on this journey. We're not going to take the easy way there. We're going to try to torture test this thing a little bit. I don't know my way around this area, so...
Well, it's like the blind leading the blind, because I don't know either.
How do we do this? Let's just go. You know what this thing has? It's really nice. Hydraulic brakes. Okay, we're going to try to break every law you can today. Oh. Whoa. It's a bigger curb than I thought, man. I almost died. Woo! Oh, you're pedaling? I forgot we can do that. Shit, locked out. Should we try to go down this hill? I think I'm going to try it. So the GoPro will never show how steep this actually is. We're doing okay. Yeah! Should we try to go up it? Let's try it. I couldn't get up it. So far, so good. This thing's all right, man. All right, let's not go in the bike lane because that's what they want us to do. Let's get on the sidewalk. Smells like piss back there. Break all the rules on the e-bike. Oh shit, this one's got turn signals. We're allowed to do whatever we want. We're on an e-bike. Excuse me, sir, we're on e-bikes. We can do whatever we want. Take care. I'll stop. Go ahead. I feel like I'm one of them Sour Patch Kids. Sometimes I'm sweet, sometimes I'm sour. Prius, you could wait. Just go ahead and wait there for me. I don't yield for you. Let's see what the headlight does. Go gadget headlight. I'm impressed with the headlight. It's on. She works. Signals are work-a-rooing too. Yeah, we got it all. Uh-oh. We broke it. It died. Oh, she's back online. She shut off. We're going again. Unstoppable. Uh-oh. Dude, we might have a problem with this thing. Well. Well, this isn't good. Okay, well, what do we do? Just punch on shit until something works?
That's what we do today.
We're back online. Oh, Joey's mobile bike repair. That might come in handy. I'm impressed with this thing so far, man. Trying to hit some bumps to see if I'm like wiggling something loose. Getting gas on the e-bike. For the homies. I'm sure it's okay. Uh-oh, sand. No pedaling, man. This thing chugs up the hill. How you doing, sir? Some fine walking sticks you got there. State of the art, I might say. Serrano or Raptor? I feel like Raptor sounds more dangerous. Isn't Serrano just kind of a cactus?
I saw some cactus back there.
Yeah. I mean, it would suck to run into one, but it would suck worse to run into a Raptor.
Oh, let's go Raptor.
Excuse me, sir. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. We have a casualty here. Looks like the chain came undone. Unchained. That's unfortunate.
That's an easy fix.
I think we got it. No e-bikes. Okay. I think we need to work out for a minute. It says, what do we do? Oh, we put it on our necks. Okay. A squat press. My head got stuck.
It's for women.
Oh yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go break more laws. It's got cruise control. I like it. Oh, the chain came off again. Back in business. Let's see which one's faster. Is that all you got? Pretty equal. I think this one's a little faster. Oh, the chain came off of this one again. That's a problem, man. Oh, wait, what? Somehow it went back into... Maybe I'm hallucinating. Nope, I'm not hallucinating. Okay, now let's try a different gear. It's not doing anything. Oh, there we go. No hands. We are almost to the Trabuco General Store, and I still have almost a full battery. Well, we made it. Trabuco General Store. Let's get a soda. All right, see Bob.
I know that. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What can I do for?
Come to see Bob.
Bob's asleep right now, I think.
Let's wake him up. What's up, Bob? Good to see you, buddy. What do we got here? That's a proper hat. Oh, we got a note.
Here, this is for you.
Oh, man. I got gifts? Thanks. All right. Thanks so much. Hey, James. We got mail. So, you haven't met Bob, but Bob and I, we're buddies. We go way back. And I kind of use him like a community little mailbox. People from all over the world come in and see this guy. From England. I've had people from all over Europe, even.
Wow.
Anyway, somebody left us this hat. It says,
Infamously motorized.
let's ride. Hey, man. Thanks for the hat. I'll keep it, man. Appreciate it. Big shout out to Infamously Motorized. Link in the description of the video. Let's put this in your backpack. Looks like a delicious ice cream cookie sandwich.
Well, that's good. Whatever it is.
And sometimes people leave things under his hat, his pocket. We got a cell phone case. Sometimes there's even money in here. What do we got? Lifestyle cycles, bike sales, service parts, and apparel. It's in Anaheim. We're going to save this car. We might use it. Oh,
Cha-ching.
we got some change. We're going to pay it forward. I'm going to leave it in there for the rest of y'all. See what's in this pocket. There's always money. Bob's given me hundreds of dollars over the years. Sometimes there's a note on the dollars. Not this time. We're going to buy a soda with this dollar. Let's see what's in these pockets. Not in there. We'll check Bob's cock. Oh, there's always stuff under Bob's cock. Hey, Sub D. Me and the wife. Love your show. We miss you. Came all the way from D.C. for the cucumber soda. All right, Nick C. Soda on me. That must mean there's a couple bucks in here. Let's see what's in the bag. Dude, soda's paid for, man. We even got some lunch money. Dude, we're going to hold on to this, dude. I much appreciate it. Thank you. All the way from D.C. It's a big deal, man. Now let's open up this note. Sub D. Dear Mr. Delinquent, I come here every week hoping to find one of your beloved key tags. Glad to have you back in the YouTube world. P.S. The cashier says you're a dick for not coming by as much. All right, Bob. Good to see you. Don't be a stranger. I wish I had something for you, but I don't. But I do. I'm going to give you my own personal key tag. So I pulled my own very own key tag that I've had for years. That's all I got. So I'm going to put it under Bob's cock. Let's get a soda. Maybe a cucumber soda. You ever have a cucumber soda? Oh, there it is. James, this is Bob's treat. Thanks, Bob. Well, thank you for your service and all that.
Thank you for stopping in. It's good to see you.
I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Let the peeps know. This bike feels solid. It really does. Oh, I'm kind of scared to go back up on this curve. Uh-oh. I have a flat tire. No! No! I ran over a nail. I just had it replaced today. Oh, we're off the rim and everything. She's done. The CosWheel CT20. Had this bike for a few weeks and it has been cutting in and out power-wise. I don't know what's going on. I've always been able to get it back on the road by just kind of punching it there, messing with some wires there. I don't know what's doing it. I'm able to get it going again when it shuts off. So this continues to be my favorite out of all the bikes. All in all, looks, I give this thing a 10. All right, so now let's get into the specs of this thing. The website says this bike does about 28 miles an hour. It's true. It says it goes about 87 miles. I don't know if I'm going to trust it to go that far. Maybe if you're pedaling and you're in mode 1, I could see it. But if you're like me, you want to run that thing wide open, not at all. It does say you can go 50 miles in class 2, which is throttle only, pure electricity. It's got front suspension. I wish it had rear suspension, but this one doesn't. There is another model above this that does have rear suspension. I wish they would have sent me that one, but maybe next time. The brakes on this thing were amazing. Hydraulic for sure. No complaints there. Yeah, the bike weight, 88 pounds, so it is pretty heavy. Now, this bike sells for about $1,900, but if you get online, you go to their website right now, looks like you can get them for $1,749. I do have promo code, should knock a little bit off on top of that price. I do encourage you to click that link, and if you're interested in this, buy away. Now, let's talk about the maintenance. So, we did get a flat tire, and I took it to a local shop because I looked at it and I'm like, man, there is just no way I want to attempt to fix this on my own. And I dropped it off to them for a tire fix. They charged me, I think it was $65. When they gave me the bike back, they said, do me a favor, don't ever bring this bike back to the shop again. I asked why. They said it was a big pain in the ass to work on. It is what it is. So, if you got a good shop in your area or you know how to fix these things on your own, you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. Anyway, that's my review, man. If you guys are interested, link in the description of the video. As discussed, CosWheel did send me this bike, so it's sort of a paid promotion. But overall, man, I'm a big fan of this bike. Now with that, I'm probably not going to review too many more of these things, so hang tight, man. We'll go back to the big bike and continue on with the scheduled programs. All right, love y'all. Bye.